This video is going to show you how to log on to Canvas and access our class. So up here, you're going to click on, highlight it, get that, ccsd.instructure, instructure.com. It will take you to this page. You will click on Student Log On to get there. I am going to have to, to get to mine, I will click Educator. So I'm going to pause this for a second to get there. Okay, you will not have these classes. This is my dashboard, but you'll see our class, NWCTA Post Program. Click on that. And I'm going to go over to the student view real quick so you can see what that looks like. So you're going to have this page, and right here, this has click here for parent and student resources. This will always be here. I will change it as the year goes on. I'll add things that I think we need. I'll take away things that we don't need anymore, but it's always going to be a good resource for you. And it comes up and you can just scroll down. Okay, so there's a page about just a little get to know me and get to know Miss Lawler. The expectations of our Google Meet. And then the independent work learning expectations. And then here, parent resources. So these are some things that I thought would be handy for you. You might need to refer back to them. And these are links. So if you click on them, it'll take you to that video or that page, okay? So some of the things that I think you'll need more often. And then the next page is links to how-to videos that you'll need. I will be adding this video once I'm finished with it, so you see there's more space for it. And then I just have student relaxation links, if you get stressed out or whatnot. These are some good links. Yoga, guided breathing, explore.org webcams. It's a good way to waste some time. It's just got different live webcams of nature type stuff. So it's pretty relaxing. So that is what this page will be. And then you can click out of that to get back. And then down here, you're going to have buttons by date. And if you click on the button for the week we're in, it will take you to our week, and each day's agenda will be there. Now, they are not set to be released until midnight that day, okay? So if I click on here now, see how this is grayed out? That's because Monday is not available until 12 a.m. Monday morning. But they will, like tomorrow morning when you wake up, this one will be available. These will still be grayed, and they'll just become available as the clock hits midnight really for that day. So that is how you are going to access your assignments, and then you can always go back to home. Okay, this is really where you're gonna stay and get your stuff. Don't worry about the other stuff yet. Okay, we'll get there. So this will be a good starting point, and we're gonna go through this as often as we need to. All right, let me know if you had any questions.